No motorized vehicles. Does that mean I can park here? I don't even know. Hello, good morning, and welcome. My name is Jeff, and welcome to Pacific Northwest today. Today's kind of a different day. I think it's a really bad day for air quality. There's a lot of fires going on between Oregon and California, and all of it's starting to kind of waft up over here. So today we're having kind of the worst day that you could be outside. So I'm not going to be outside for very long. I'm just going to go fishing for just a little bit this morning because I have an extra task to do. So as you can see, we have, it's pretty thick. Smoke anyway. Check out that sun, guys.
Loading a clip from last night's sunset.
The sunset looks incredible. I think it's because there's a lot of smoke in the air. My heart goes out to all of the people who are currently suffering. I mean, even as as close to us as Bonnie Lake are dealing with some of these wildfires, and I hope everybody's okay. Hope everybody stays safe, and you know, just be really careful when you're lighting fires around, especially around right now where there's not much rain and everything. So we're almost at our fish. All right, we're here. I don't know if you noticed during the recording at all of this thing. I needed to bring this today because I lost my lure up there. I got the lure stuck on the bottom of the log, and at one point I pulled on it and it came off of the log and shot straight up into the branch, wrapped around, and then game over. It was literally at the end of the night, and so this morning bright and early I had to come by and grab my lure because it is my most favorite lure. I have to go get it back. Gotta do that because it's my favorite lure, right? Have to. All right, so let's get over there and let's go get that lure back. All right, I got this bad boy with me. We're walking now. Let's see if it's still there. Yep, I see it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. It's on that branch. So let's get set up and then get this thing down. Not quite. The other part I'm gonna have to be a little careful with is the thing I'm gonna have to watch out for is I think this thing's gonna fall in. I'm going to do my best to make sure that that does not. But okay. Let's see. I'm gonna do that and hope that somehow I just kind of snag onto that. So here comes my line, or here comes my lure. Ready? Okay. That did not work because I don't have it. I don't have it ready yet. All right, now we're ready. Okay, try number 2, huh? All right, same thing. Get it up there. Man, it's a reach. Guy over. Oh, don't lose the rope. Okay, here comes my lure. I think maybe I can catch it. Oh, I almost chopped my lure, I think. Oh, there it is. It's in there. So don't do that. Okay. This is pretty tricky. Here we go. All right, well,
Nice save. Thank you, tree.
I had the best thing that could have happened to it. It got stuck on the next branch down, so now I have a chance to save it. And I'm gonna lower this back down because this thing is hard to hold when it's so long.
That's what she said. Her.
Now let's grab it. Oh, I think I have it snagged. Yes. Yeah, all right. I did it. Yeah. Oh, man. Okay. Oh, that definitely was the best case scenario. Awesome. All right.
Great job. You got your lure back.
All right, sweet. We got it back. Now let's go put this thing back in the car and let's do a little bit of fishing before we have to go home since, like I said, look it out there. We definitely have to get back in the house as soon as we can, but awesome. Woo! Yeah. Oh man, that was awesome. I can't believe that I did that in the first place. But anyways, we're going over to another spot. See you guys when I get there. Oh man, actually I had to stop because if it's still there, we're in for a treat. Cool. See that over there? That is a blue heron.
Nice find, adventurer. Your bird watching skill has increased.
He's probably just chilling in here grabbing fish whenever he sees it. Wow, that was really cool. I see herons quite a bit. They're all over the place. It's still always cool to see one just because they're so big. Okay, so I decided to take a quick pit stop because I wanted to check a local pond over at my place where there are a ton of frogs, and I want to see, well, they were tadpoles, and I want to see how they've progressed so far this year and see what stage you're at and see if there's like a bunch of the ones. I haven't seen them have legs yet, so that's what I'm looking to see. Keep your eyes open. There's a heron right there. Big heron. Cool. Oh, there's like a little, I think that's a killdeer? Yeah, that's a killdeer. They lay their nests in places kind of like this. Well, let's do a quick walk around the pond and see if we can spot some of these frogs. I haven't seen any yet.
Detecting something nearby. Creature unidentified. Please leave a comment below if you know what this is. Detecting something nearby. Bummer dude, better luck next time.
Well, that was cool. Saw, I think that was a falcon. And sure, let's get a crow in there. Why not?
Are these frogs? No, they aren't. I guess they grew their legs.
Alright, so I'm gonna go and move up that way. Okay, after an eventful morning, we finally made it. We now have our pole out and ready. Let's go fish. There are a lot of birds chirping this morning. Okay, we're at the river. I'm gonna be as quiet as I can.
Fish on.
Ooh, got one. Alright.
Nice fish. The skunk is off.
So, nice fish. So I'm gonna let that guy go. He's out of here. It's fantastic. Let's try again. Stick fish. Okay, I'm gonna just work down a little bit on the river. I think there's a bridge where we should be able to fish a little bit, and if not, then we're going home. Okay, so I think I told you I was going to head back, but I lied. I wanted to check out another spot. So, here we are. It's actually a pretty decent stream. Wow. Who would have thought? Ooh. I think that was a bite. I'm pretty sure. Womp womp.
Fish on. We've gone away.
Sweet. Don't even need to go that far. Ooh. Stickfish. This is the best burbot I've ever caught in my life.
That's not a burbot.
Wow.
That's a sculpin.
Cool. All right. Oh, it got off on its own. Sweet. Yeah. That's awesome. Okay, let's see if I could get one last cast down this way. Oh, perfect. Oh, I had one chasing it. Let's see if there's another place I can access. Nope. Nope. This sort of looks like a trail. like it kind of clears up. I think I could do this. Oh, there's some swipes at that.
Fish on.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Holy
Watch
shit.
it.
That's a big one.
Holy smokes. What a whopper.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Amazing. That's so cool. Oh my god. That was awesome. Let's see if there's another spot downriver, otherwise I gotta go.
You should go home.
Alright, I think that's good. Let's call that a day because holy crap. Oh my gosh. I'm still like shaking from what happened earlier. My goodness. Alright, what a day, guys. I'm heading back right now, and I just wanted to say thank you for watching, and what a day. We started off by getting this guy, and because I got him back, I was able to use this to get that monster that I grabbed from that creek today. What a day, and what an adventure. So I wanted to say thanks again for watching. If you guys liked this video and would like to see more, please support me by hitting the like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks again, and later, y'all.
Thanks for watching. See you next time on Pacific Northwest.